Who is this judge that's granting these orders? State High Court judge, everything. Who is this judge? You know, I feel so bad. This was a judge. I refused that when NJS recommended I would not be sworn in. Why? When the State High Court was locked up by my predecessor, this judge was the Deputy Chief Registrar of the Customary Court of Appeal, Stephen Jumbo. You remember that NJS recommended Justice Deze Okocha to be the Chief Judge of Rivers State. My predecessor refused and appointed the President of Customary Court of Appeal, Justice Agumabo, to be the Chief Judge. And NJC sanctioned him, suspended. How can you do that? Now, during that period, they used this Deputy Chief Registrar, who is now the judge, Stephen Jumbo, siphoned the funds of the judiciary when the judiciary was locked up under lock and key. I came as governor. Justice Deze Okocha became the chief judge. And we saw how monies were being shared. They divided the judges. These judges are loyal. These judges are not loyal. They were paying allowances to these judges. And they are not paying to these judges. And as they said, no, I will not allow this. I'm going to write to NJC, we cannot allow this. Justice Deze Okocha pleaded, please, 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 allow, please, just let it. You know, sometimes you feel so bad. Pleaded. Say, please, please, please. I don't want this mess. When I see people talk, I just look at it. Now, when Deze Okocha left, just Lomicron became. And I said, my Lord, can we allow this? He said, Your Excellency, I know it's wrong, but you see, let everybody. JSC indicted this judge, Justice Jumbo, of look at the funds of the when the court was not in session. Who was spending this money? When the court was locked for 2 years. Who was authorizing you? There was no chief judge. So who was authorizing you to be spending this amount of money? I wrote to the NJC. I said, no, I just cannot think of it. And then they said, you know what happened? This young man went to court. He lost. He went to court of appeal. And then I now left office. What the president chief judge did, they now went back to say the state was not opposing the appeal.